Take a ride in the 2019 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.